I'm Bluey Vella, going for another bushwalk around my local park, Mulgoa Nature Reserve. We're in a section where there's a dam that used to be used for livestock and we'll check around this dam first and see what critters are around here. I can hear some eastern dwarf tree frogs. There's a couple of bird nests here as well. There's some finches and yellow-faced honeyeaters. And later on in the afternoon, usually a couple of kangaroos come down for a drink, and they'll stay down here at the night, being nocturnal. Yeah, so there's a lot of bulrush along the water's edge, and that's good habitat for dragonflies and frogs. And there's even a little moorhen, lonely moorhen down here at the moment. So we'll have a look around. So this is the finch nest. Just there. So it's just made out of dried grass. So yeah, there's a couple of babies in there, and they're just starting to get their feathers. There's some greys. All right, everyone. Wish Wayne Keys a good recovery. See you soon, Wayne. See you, caveman. Get better.
We'll see you
on the next stop.
on the next stop, folks. How cool is that? Here's me mate here in the hospital. Recovery. What's your name, brother?
Ali.
Ali.
Yeah.
Ali here. We're both busted up. We've got the sore leg here. He's got the appendix, mate. But we'll see you guys on the next stop.
Yeah.
Cool, mate. Thanks, brother.
Cheers.
Legend.